Numbers in Excel looking boring? Let's fix that in seconds. In this video, I'll show you how to add and customize currency formatting to make your financial data look professional. Okay, let's dive in. First, select the cells you want to format. It could be a single cell, or range, or an entire column. Now head to the Home tab. In the Numbers section, you'll see a drop-down box that probably says General. Click it, and from the list, choose Currency. Boom, your amounts now display with a currency symbol. But what if you don't want the default dollar sign? Maybe you need euro, pound, or another symbol. To change it, keep your cell selected. And click the small arrow in the bottom right corner of the number group. This opens the Format Cells window. From the left panel, choose Currency. Then simply pick your preferred currency symbol from the drop-down, like euro or pound. Click OK, and done. Now let's take it further with some customization. In the same Format Cells window, you can decide how many decimal places to show. Choose how negative numbers appear, like in red, with a minus sign, or inside parentheses. For example, if you want negative numbers to stand out, just select red with minus sign. And click OK. Instantly, your data looks cleaner and easier to analyze. And here's a pro tip for shortcut lovers. First, select your cells. Now, instead of clicking through menus, just press Ctrl plus Shift plus 4 on your keyboard. That's it, your numbers are instantly formatted as currency. Quick and powerful. Now you can format and customize currency in Excel like a pro. If this helped, like and subscribe for more Excel tips. Got questions or ideas? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.